The data from these ice cores is critical.
We're seeing unprecedented melt rates.
Welcome to 99 Reviews, where we bring you real tools with real power. What you're seeing right now isn't just AI generated, it's created using a tool most creators still don't know about, Dreamina AI. Built by the team behind CapCut. Yes, it's fast, cinematic, and completely free if you follow the steps in this video. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to unlock unlimited video creation using this secret method. No credits, no paywalls, just stunning 4K visuals from text. Oh, and make sure to hit that subscribe button to support the channel. We drop AI reviews weekly, and this one's a game changer. First, we need to trick the system. Legally, of course. Open your VPN. I recommend NordVPN or Proton VPN. Set your location to Nigeria. This is crucial. Dreamina's backend checks your region during sign-up. Now, head over to dreamina.capcut.com. Click Sign Up and use a Google account you've never used here before. Put the date of birth. Just make sure the account is fresh. Once you're inside, if you see 0 credits, you're on track. That's exactly what we want. Next, go back to your VPN and switch it to the United Kingdom. Refresh the page and boom! The full Dreamina generator is unlocked. You can now turn the VPN off. Everything stays functional from here. Now let's take a quick look around. You've got 2 video models. Always go with the latest. Choose 5 or 10 seconds. Horizontal for YouTube, vertical for shorts. And prompts, you've got 500 characters max. Be specific. Be cinematic. Pace prompt. A transparent 3D brain pulses with electric signals. Cut to a human wearing a neural headset. Cut to a screen displaying decoded thoughts in real time. Hit enter, and you get a full 4K render in a few minutes. Look at the lighting, the motion blur. This is top-tier AI filmmaking. Now a multi-scene one. A transparent 3D brain pulses with electric signals. Cut to a human wearing a neural headset. Cut to a screen displaying decoded thoughts in real time. And Dreamina nails the transitions automatically. Got glitches? Try again. AI isn't perfect. Sometimes it misses a beat. Regenerate once, and you'll usually get a flawless version. Want background music? Click on your video and hit Generate Soundtrack. Choose your vibe, cinematic, ambient, epic. Add it directly, no editing software needed. A few quick heads up, Dreamina may now have a soft cap of 20 videos per day. Queue times are normal, especially during peak hours. And yes, you can still use it commercially as long as ByteDance allows. If you're a content creator, marketer, or filmmaker, this is your new secret weapon. Create full storyboards, B-roll, short films, even cinematic ads, all from a sentence. Let me know in the comments what you created, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe if this helped. You've just unlocked Dreamina, and you